Hey guys, I'm Eleni.
I'm Selena.
And we're here to answer your questions about Mobizen. So one of the top questions we get throughout Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, our live chat is if we're robots. We're not robots. We are real people who are outside of New York City. So if you're coming to us on one of those channels or our live chat feature, you're going to either be speaking to me, Selena, or technician Ken, who just knows everything. So one of our top questions lately is, why is Mobizen free? So Mobizen was created by our support, our company, in order to let everyone use the awesome software that they have for Android phones 4.0 and above. So a lot of you are wondering, Mobizen's free, there's no ads, how do you guys make money? Well, our support has a bunch of other products such as remote call, we have LightCam, which is very popular. So don't worry, the company is making money. A lot of you guys also want to know, how can you get a paid version of Mobizen? Well, you can't. There isn't a paid version right now. And I know a lot of you want to get rid of the watermark, you want to get rid of that annoying two-step verification process. We get it. We kind of want it gone too sometimes. But we have to send our suggestions and your suggestions to our developers in Korea. Every suggestion you guys send our way, maybe a paid version, remove watermark, add a skin, every single one gets sent to our developers, and we're always pushing for those features to become available to make all our users happy. So on that note, if there's any other topics you want us to cover, please comment below or subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.